Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crafty Closet. Today I'm going to be doing a faux chenille sweater using glitter vinyl, strip flock, heat transfer vinyl, and a sweatshirt. You don't want to miss it. Stick around. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to your Cricut design space, and then you're going to open up a blank canvas. Now, my design is already done. It's already ready, and all I need to do is send it to my Cricut machine. But I wanted to show you guys exactly what I use. So as you can see, for the lettering for this faux chenille design, I use the Varsity letter font, which is here, and the Amertha font. Now I use both of these fonts. They're both in Cricut Design Space, and you don't have to go to an alternate site to download them, or download them into your computer and upload them into your Cricut Design Space. Now, the Amertha font doesn't look like this. I'm going to show you what it looks like, but it's just showing you the fonts that I use. And this is actually what the Varsity letter font looks like, and I'll show you what the Amertha font looks like. So let's just go to Customize. And now we're just going to wait for it to come up on our design space. There we go. So boom, here's my design. Like I said, it's all ready to be done. Excuse me, it's all ready to be cut out. I'm just going to bring it up here so you can see it right quick. Now, this is the Amertha font, and this is the Varsity font. But let's just pretend we were going to do, maybe a different style of shirt. Everybody's style is different. I'm going to hide this for a minute. And now we're going to go and start a new font project. A new design. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the words, let's say lions. Because remember, the font, the Varsity font is that, the faux chenille font is that funky type of Varsity letter font. So we're going to write the word lions. Let me just do this here. S, and then I'm going to go up here and change this to Varsity. Oh, okay, sorry. System. Let's try again. Let's go to Varsity. Okay, so let's just take it back and go to Varsity. Varsity regular. I have so many fonts, y'all. Sometimes I just don't know what the heck the font I want is, and I didn't click it. So let's try it again. Alright, so let me retract that, because anything that's a Cricut design font will come up in your Cricut part, and anything that's a system font, meaning you downloaded it from an alternate site, will come up in your system font. So actually, here's the trick. We're going to take it off Kern, and then we're going to go to Varsity. There we go. I've been at this a long time, and I still make mistakes. It's okay. We're all human. So remember to take it off Kern when you're looking for your fonts, because the fonts are going to, the current fonts are the fonts that will automatically curl. That's another video for another day. Alright, so boom. We're going to go to our Varsity font. Now we use the Varsity letter font, which is this. And as you see, it gave us the lions. And now we're going to bring this here, and we are going to, let's say, we'll keep it at black. We'll keep it at black, and then if you wanted to curve it, you can curve it the way I curve my Brooklyn sign, or you can leave it straight. It's up to you. This one we'll leave it straight. And so next, we're going to add our offset. Now remember, the offset is the behind, like a little shadow for your lettering. So I'm going to bring this down to about 1. Yeah, I'll bring it down to 011. And I'm going to, I want the corner. I want that sharp look. So now I'm going to click apply. And here we go. We have lions, right? So now I did something wrong. I'm going to backtrack this twice. Boom, boom. And I'm going to go back to my original lines word, and then I'm just going to spread it out a little bit, because it'll make the letters look separate when I do the offset. I forgot I didn't do that the first time, y'all, so bear with me. So now, okay, we got a nice spacing on it, and now I'm going to bring this down so you can see the offset again. So we're going to go back to our offset, and remember I set it at 0.1. I'm going to hit apply, and now there you go. So now let's suppose we want to do a different color for our, okay, well, offset. We're going to put our offset at maybe a gray. So let's suppose you had silver glitter vinyl, then your silver will be your backdrop. And then you can leave it black the way it is. Or if you wanted to change it to something a little different, we can make our silver. And now we're going to go to our lion's word and we will make it green. Right? Because it's supposed to be like varsity style. So boom, here you go. We got the line. We got the lines here. And now I'm going to do the second part. So we have our lions, and then we're going to write, let's see, this is a fake place. So we're going to go Culver, no, Rancho, no, Mineral, yeah, that's a good one. Mineral, alright, come on. Mineral City. So these will be the Mineral City Lions, right? Now we're going to change this to our Ametha font, however you pronounce it. Ametha, M-E-R-T. Boom. This is our Ametha font. And now we are the we are the Mineral City Lions. So we're going to change this to green because we want it to be the same color. And boom, here you have it. This is your Faux Chenille for another type of, shirt that you want to do. You can do this with anything. So we're the Mineral City Lions, right? Of course, we'll make this a little smaller because it's only going to go under the bottom of your sweatshirt. But let's suppose we want to put this on a shirt and see what it looks like. I'm going to go to my templates. We're going to go to a hoodie. We're going to put on a sweatshirt. And then we're going to make this a woman's classic. We're going to go with the large. And then we're going to, okay, I have to move this, y'all. Sorry. Oh, so, remember I showed you guys how to change the colors on your shirts. Once you do anything before you are ready to change the colors on your shirts, it's not going to work. And you're going to have to do it all over again. So I'm going to start all over again. I'm going to go to template. I'm going to go to hoodie. H-O. Here we go. And now we're going to go back to our women's classic. We're going to go to a large. And I'm going to change this shirt to maybe a dark gray, right? Maybe a dark gray. Yeah, okay, dark gray. And now, boom, we're going to take this off. Because let's say the Mineral City Lions, this is their team colors. So I'm then going to bring this here. I'm going to pull this here. And now, this is what your shirt would look like if you were one of the Mineral City Lions. Now, of course, you can't see the green on here because it's really small, but we already know it's the same color as our Lions font. Same color as our varsity letter font. So this is how you will get your own Faux Chenille look on your sweater. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my original design, which is the Brooklyn, and then I'm going to cut it, weed it, and put it on a sweatshirt, and you're going to see the outcome of it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Also, consider hitting the notification bell so you will be the first one to know when I have new videos dropping. I appreciate you for watching and taking the time to learn new things. As always, the Crafty Closet, and we will see you next time.